you doing that?
It's a magic carpet.
It's lovely.
You don't want to go for a ride, do you? We could get out of the palace, see the world.
Is it safe?
Sure, do you trust me?
What?
Do you trust me?
Yes.
Welcome to the Crypto Rodeo Show. I want to do a quick video about how to spot a scam coin. It's very easy. A lot of people tend to make it very complicated, and a lot of YouTubers aren't talking about this. Don't know why, but it's pretty easy to spot. Now I'm going to show everybody. We've been talking about this on the live streams, and I think a dedicated, just regular video needs to go out. So here is SafeMoon. Everyone's all, excited about SafeMoon. This is CoinMarketCap. So SafeMoon, I'm not even worried about the price. That's just part of the scam. But here is what catches everybody. This is the scam, okay? The scam is there's a 10% fee. It says here, SafeMoon, in each trade, the transaction is taxed with a fee of 10%, which is cut in half, while 5% of the fee is redistributed to all the token holders, and then 5 distributed to the LP, or split half again, and 50% sold to the BNB, and the remaining 5% automatically paired with the aforementioned BNB and added to Pancakeswap liquidity pair. So in a nutshell, they're taxing people when they sell. This is common with every single scam coin. Let me show you. This is SafeMoon. Recently, we just did a video on World of Whales. World of Whales is a frictionless yield liquidity generating token with a 10% fee, half to the holders and half to the Pancake LP. This was a charitable cause. World of Whales is a crypto coin with a purpose. Our purpose is to save the whales and clean the ocean. Together we can accomplish this. You know what they accomplished? A rug pull as of yesterday morning. After that, the same group of scammers decided to, you know what, let's try it again. And they did it again, and they changed the name to World of Waves. World of Waves is a frictionless yield liquidity generating token. Trend here, 10% fee. Trend here, look at the trend. You rewards the holders, and then it sends half of the other fee to a LP. I mean, it's so simple. Now let's look at EarnX. Let's see EarnX. Everyone was talking about EarnX. Even I was talking about EarnX. I started to catch on to this scam. It says here, frictionless yield generating token with a 10% tax. Again, this is the same thing over and over. They do 5% to the holders, 5% to a liquidity pool. How about Safe Galaxy? Oh my gosh. Any coin with the word safe and a celestial body next to it, run away. Here's Safe Galaxy. Safe Galaxy works by taking a 10% fee on every transaction. Okay, how about Safe Star? I'm not making this up. This is all on CoinMarketCap. You can check it yourself. Safe Star. Let's see what Safe Star talks about. A 10% fee. Same thing. 5% to the holders, 5% to a LP. How about today? Today there was a rug pull. Rug pull on Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Welcome to Hello Kitty token. Is a passion project by crypto developer Anna and her team released today. Every 500 holders in the first hour, this project is blowing up. Oh my gosh. Oh look, a 5% fee, 10% total fee, just like the other scams. And guess what happened to this one? Rug pull as of today. Today, 4/25/2021, they rug pulled it in less than 10 hours. This is insane. We can't keep doing this. Do you understand what this it's a pyramid scheme. What is going on right now in the crypto space is the same thing that happened when email started to get popular. All of a sudden people are starting to get emails from some royal prince that wanted to send you $500 million because you were an ancient ancestor and all he needed was your social, birthday, address, and bank and routing number. So back in the day, they did that. This is a pyramid scheme that works this way. It's very simple. So you have an instant everybody buying in at the very early beginning, everyone throwing in money. It starts a base. People start selling. Well, guess what? The 10% tax, 5% goes to the holders under. So there's less holders. And it keeps happening, less holders. Now what happens, the 5% goes here to an LP. Who knows about this LP? This guy. This guy knows about this LP. So when the bottom of the pyramid sells, there's less people holding, right? Because they all sold. There's less people. It gets smaller. Here. They do it again here. 5% goes to here, and then back to here, and then back there. It turns into a pyramid, and it all leads and points to the top. One dude. World of Whales ended up being World of One Whale. This is how it works. It's a pyramid scheme. It's simple. Don't get caught up in this. A lot of people, one dude off of World of Whales lost $40,000. One dude lost $50,000. Another dude lost $2,700. This Hello Kitty thing is a huge one. But this is how they do it. It's a copy and paste method. I mean, in school, when you copy your friend's test or copy your friend's homework, you change it a little bit. So sometimes they change it. Sometimes they change how much of the fee it is. But there's always a fee. That's the trick, is there's a fee. There is a fee to this. There's a selling fee. 5% makes it look like, oh, you're going to get airdropped. Oh, my gosh. And you're going to get all this money for hodling. Because you know why? They want to reward the hodlers. Because it's easy. Hodling is easy. Skimming off the top like some of these day traders, that's hard and risky. So they want to attract people. That is an easy way to make money. And the easiest way to make money, apparently for them, these hammers, like, oh, let's reward hodlers because they may not know how to day trade like some of these other guys. Let's get all these kids and all these rich people on TikTok that just pump and then dump, pump and then dump. But that's how it works. It's a 10% fee. That's the biggest sign. Obviously, the other signs are, you look at the dev team. I mean, let's look at World of Whales. This is World of Waves, the second one. Here it says they've detoxed all their developers. They have Facebooks and even their LinkedIns, and oh my gosh, their license plates, which is spelled incorrectly, of course. So just be careful. I just wanted to make this quick video for everybody because it's just getting out of hand. And just wait. This is not going to happen much longer. Gary Gensler, Security and Exchange Commissioner, is coming in. He's going to put the hammer down on all these dudes' skulls and slap them right in the mouth. All these guys that are doing these scam coins, Safe Moon, Safe Galaxy, Safe Star, EarnX, Hello Kitty, World of Waves, World of Whales. There's so many. There's even a Harambe coin. So be careful. Just be careful. That's all I ask. Thanks again. And by the way, I'm not a financial advisor, just some dude in a hat. Good night.